All right, so I took my one full class period to sketch my dream catcher. All of you will have something different. Maybe some of you have the sun and the moon split. Maybe some of you are doing sports with basketball. But remember, what we're doing here is showing that we know the difference between warm colors and cool colors. So I'm going to take my watercolor. We all saw the watercolor demo video and we know how to use watercolors. I start first by prepping them. And today I'm going to just for class period number 2 start with my cool colors. Cool colors are my purple, green, and blue. Now in my watercolor palette, they are separated, so we have to be careful. And when I mix my water into my paint, I start getting paint. Now the more water you use, the lighter the color is going to be. The thicker your paint is, the darker it's going to be, and you can play around with this a little bit. But for this, I'm going to paint my dream catcher in the cool colors, and my background is going to be all the warm colors. So I'm going to start with my foreground today, and I'm going to start with a thick paint, and I'm going to paint all of this center part line of my dream catcher. Remember, when you change colors, you have to rinse your brush. Otherwise, when you dip into the other color, you're going to end up mixing them together, and we don't want to mix them inside the paint palette. You're free to mix on your page. You're free to mix on the little tray right here, but no mixing in here, please. We want to keep these clean for everybody. And I'm going to keep painting my cool colors of my dream catcher. And then when I'm all done with my cool colors, I'm going to put my warm colors in the background. And there's some other demonstrations that I gave you on the board that you can look at too if this isn't the way you want to do it. Maybe you're doing half and half. And there's no real wrong way to do this. I'm just looking that you understand the difference between warm and cool colors for this project. And I'll keep painting, and then as I go along, I will show you how this is progressing so that you understand the concept. I'll be back.